everyone, I am Divya Lasya and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Divya Diaries. And today's video is all about Korean dramas. Today I'm going to be answering few questions related to Korean dramas and also which are frequently asked to the people who watch Korean dramas and also in general. Few questions are from Google and few questions are from my friends. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so I have all of my questions here and now I'm going to answer them. So firstly I'm going to answer those questions which are asked by my friends and then I will move on to the Google questions. So yes. So the first question is, did you learn the Korean language while you're watching Korean drama? Yes. Like not totally, like not the full language obviously, but we can understand sentences without watching the subtitles. When you watch, more than 5 to 6 Korean dramas, you will eventually start learning the language, you will know the words. Me and my sister talk in Korean at my home. My sister knows well, like she knows a little bit more than me because she did watch a lot more Korean dramas than me. So yeah, I did learn Korean and I'm still learning. So this question was asked to my friend who also watches Korean dramas. So she's like, it's like a general question, like people asked her too that why do you like Korean guys so much and what is so charming about them? When we talk about our favorites and when we are obsessed about this particular guy from Korean dramas, we just don't talk about their looks, you guys. We just don't talk about their looks. Yes, they are pretty much cute, but we also look their character in Korean dramas and then we decide our favorite. It happens in general also. Like starting when you start watching it, you like their looks, but when you see the characters they play and in general, like in reality how they are, you are just attracted to them. It's not just about looks, it's also about personality and their character. So we just don't go by looks, okay? It's everything about them which makes them cute. Next question is, how good is Cha Eun-woo? I never watched K-drama, but I have a friend who's mad about him. It's all about True Beauty, you guys. I am sure everyone knows about True Beauty. It is all over the Instagram, it's all over the social media. I did watch one of his drama and it's pretty much good. He's also cute. So I do understand why your friend is so into him, because you have your favorites in a way. Like everyone has their own favorites and yeah, that's it. Moving on to the next question. Why should I watch K-drama? I have many reasons, but I'll keep it simple. You should watch Korean drama for happiness, for entertainment purpose, and for cuteness, for love, and also for peace of mind. Yes. I don't know everyone feels the same, but I personally do feel it. It's not like we are obsessed with it, but when we watch a Korean drama, there is another level of happiness. So yes, once you start watching Korean drama, you can't stop watching it. So you should try once at least. So the next question is, how is K-drama different from Hollywood series? I feel there is a lot of difference between K-drama and Hollywood series, because I personally, if you ask me to choose K-drama and Hollywood series, I would choose K-drama because it is a lot more peaceful, it is a lot more good. I wouldn't say that K-drama is more entertaining because Hollywood series are also more entertaining. I do watch both, so I really can't tell you the difference. When you watch the Korean drama, then you will understand what's the main difference, because I really can't put them in words. So yes. What K-drama should I watch if you managed to convince me to watch it? Okay. I have a different video for that. I actually did make a video on my top favorite Korean dramas. I will link that down below. So if I convince you to watch that Korean drama, you should watch something from that. Like they are the basic ones. So yeah, you should watch Korean drama because you will get happiness, you will get peace of mind, and also entertainment. You can watch it for entertainment, and then eventually you will understand why I am talking about happiness. Yes, that's it for the questions from my friends. Now we will move on to the Google questions. So the first question is, what is your favorite K-drama? My favorite K-drama is Boys Over Flowers. It is also my first K-drama. So yeah. And the second one is, who's your favorite actor or actress? My favorite actor is Lee Min-ho. I love him. My favorite actress is Park Shin-hye and Suzy. So Park Shin-hye is love, you guys. She's love. I don't know, many of them don't like her that much because she, like many of them feel she's not that good at acting, but I do feel she's pretty much good at acting. Like there is so much of difference between her first K-drama and the next K-drama. She's literally cute, and yeah, she's not that good at crying, but she's really good at acting. I don't know why people degrade her. Personally, she's my favorite. So the next question is, eat, sleep or K-drama? I am going to answer this in a simple way. I will watch Korean drama while eating, and then I'll watch one episode of Korean drama and then sleep. Simple. Why do we complicate things? So the next one is, will you start watching the ongoing K-drama or let it be finished first? Of course, I will wait for the whole season to complete first because I really can't wait for the next episode. The before episode will end in a hypothetical way and you keep thinking about the next episode, and I just can't wait. Not happening. That's why I still did not watch True Beauty. I guess I'm not going to watch that also because it's hard to choose between two main leads, you guys. It's very difficult. So yes. So the next one is, study for an exam or watch one last episode. I am going to study for my exam and then watch a Korean drama because after you finish studying for your exam, you will be in a different mood. So to deviate your mind from it, you need to watch a Korean drama. That's what I do. So yeah. So the next one is, are you ready for your oppa or unni to get married? No, I am not ready for my oppa to get married. It's just not happening, you guys. I am ready for my unni to get married because it's okay. Like, she will be pretty, like the dress and everything. But don't ask about oppa. It's not like we are waiting for something. We all know. We all literally know that we can't even talk to them. But you know, there is, when you have someone as your favorite, you have few things. Like, you're not going to do anything, but you'll have a different kind of a feeling when he found the one. So, like, all the K-drama lovers will understand what I told. So the next one is, if you can't speak Korean, then why are you watching a Korean drama? That just doesn't make any sense, you guys. I do know Korean after I started watching Korean drama. I'm learning a new language. That's a very good thing. Like, you don't even know any new language before you learn it. So yeah, it's okay if you don't know the language and you start watching it. Eventually you will start learning the language itself. So yeah. Don't you get tired of reading all those subtitles? No, we don't get tired at all because we need to understand in the starting stage of watching the series. But afterwards also, no, we are not that tired. Like many people asked me this question also. Like, so the next question is, will you reply to the person who sent you a message or let the episode be finished first? Let the episode be finished first. Yeah, we literally can't text in between while we are watching a drama. Not even K-drama. We can't even watch, like we can't even reply to the message when we are watching any other series. Simple. Okay, so the next one is actually not a question. It's like, oh, you're one of those people who like to watch those type of shows. I literally experienced this, guys. Like, I met this person for the first time, and we were talking about our interests and our hobbies. So I apparently told her that I love watching Korean dramas and something about Korean dramas, and she was like, she gave me this weird look. She was like, oh, even you watch them. I was like, what's so wrong in watching them, you guys? Like, I couldn't even answer the weird look on her face. Like, how do I answer? Like, I just can't directly tell her something. We watch it for entertainment purpose. We watch it because we love watching it. What's so wrong watching a Korean drama? There is no vulgarity in it. It's for entertainment purpose and it's for happiness purpose. So just don't give us those look and just don't categorize in a different way. Next one is, how can you tell who's who when they all look the same? They don't look the same. For the last time, no, they don't look the same. Many people ask me this question. I was like, they look all the same. How do you pick up your favorites? They don't look the same, you guys. Everyone has their own characteristics. Everyone has their own eyes, their own smile, their own body personality. So just don't ask that question. It's very annoying, you guys. Why do you ask? Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and also all my K-drama fans, comment down below what is your favorite K-drama and who's your favorite, and also your comments on these questions. I would love to read them. Also please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Divya Diaries, and also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.